Today, January is 22nd, 2022, MLT first year. Subject is microbiology. So, yesterday we have to study it in autoclave. It's continuation with how to working autoclave. Autoclave is a working for sufficient water is put in the cylinder. First point, we have to sufficient water. Sufficient water you have to put the cylinder. The materials to be sterilized is placed on the tray. You have any material means microbiological petri dishes on test tubes and any glass petri dishes and glass test tubes and apron. These all are materials used to be sterilized on the tray. Third point, close the lid with the screw clamps and heating the started. Afterwards, you have to close the lid with the screw clamps and heating started. So next point, as the heating started, steam pressure rises inside, and when it reaches the set level, the heat is turned off. So the temperature 121 degrees centigrade, 15 lbs pressure for 15 minutes. At the time of temperature, you have to in 121 degrees centigrade and 15 lbs pressure for 15 minutes. This temperature you have to raise it for this temperature. That material has to be sterilized in the autoclave. So you have to heat is turned off and pressure inside is removed by safety valve. That is the very important. Afterwards, this is the procedure of the autoclave in working machinery. So the next is continuation with the filtration. Filtration, it is used to sterilize the heat sensitive fluids and air and solutions. It is used to sterilize the heat sensitive fluids. Filtration are used. Why? Because it is used for sterilization heat sensitive fluids and air and solutions. Example, toxins, enzymes, drugs, serum, sugars. So toxins, enzymes and drug or serum and sugars, these are it is sterilized by filters. Types of filters. One is candle type of filters. They are available in 3 grades of porosity. 3 grade. Visually, while the corset winning the finest and normal intermediate. These filters are usually made in the form of hollow candles open at one end. A metal nozzle is connected at the open end. Diatomaceous earth filters and Berkfield and Mandlar filters. So, one type of filters, candle filters. Candle type of filters especially used for in water tanks, and especially used for filter water tanks. It is used for candle type of filters. So second one is diatomaceous earth filters are used. The is other name of diatomaceous earth filters is a Berkfield filters or Mandlar filters. These filters are made from diatomaceous earth filters is referred as candle filters. Why? Because it's because of shapes. They are very ideal for domestic drinking water. Diatomaceous earth filters are mainly used for domestic drinking water. So 3 grades are available. These diatomaceous earth filters are consist of 3 grades. One is coarse, normal, fine. These filters are made in form of hollow candle open at one end. A metal nozzle is inserted and connected in the open end. The liquid to be filtered is poured into candle. Asbestos filters, siege filters. It consists of an asbestos disc or pad supported rough side uppermost in a metal mount. So, after use sterilize is necessary, discard the asbestos pad, clean the metal, mount, insert a fresh pad, sterilize by autoclaving. So, sintered glass filters. Sintered glass filters like a funnel. It can sintered glass filters like a funnel. It can withstand temperature of hot air oven. It is also available various grades of porosity. Sintered glass filters are consist of various grades of porosities. These porosities are used for filtration of the water. So next, membrane filter. Membrane filters, they are made up of cellulose. Membrane filters are made up of cellulose. So advantages, easy of handling. Membrane filters of easy handling, and they are fairly cheap to the used only. Fair is are cheaply. They have accurate grading of pore sizes. They have a accurate grading of pore sizes. So this is sixth is a radiation. Two types of radiations are used for sterilizing purposes. One is ionizing radiation, second one is non-ionizing radiation. Ionizing radiation, ionizing radiation known as particulate or electromagnetic radiation. Particulate radiations are rays are produced by high voltage generators and are used treatment of cancer. Especially radiations consist of ionizing radiations. Ionizing radiations are used for cancer treatment. Nowadays, it's not some people they are they are thinking, oh, don't any not preferable anti-cancer radiations. So ionizing radiance are easiest treatment of cancer patients. They are highly lethal DNA and vital constituents. Okay. Some people they have penetrate power. So radiation, ionizing radiations are penetration power are especially used. So you have to use for syringe swabs, culture swabs, catheters, animal feeds, various types of rubber, cardboard. These are all are the radiation type of this method is known as cold sterilization. This method is known as cold sterilization. Which method you have to cold sterilization means ionizing radiation is known as cold sterilization. Second one, non-ionizing radiation. Non-ionizing radiation, first point, non-ionizing radiation are ultraviolet rays. Non-ionizing radiations are ultraviolet rays. Non-ionizing radiations, electromagnetic rays. Electromagnetic rays. So we have every hospital you have to see ultraviolet rays nowadays. So ultraviolet radiation is used for disinfecting enclosed areas such as entryways. In nowadays, ultraviolet radiation in supermarkets in the entry of the way of entryways in ultraviolet radiation, in hospitals also, operation rooms, in small inoculation rooms, virus labs. So this ultraviolet radiation especially used for in nowadays supermarkets also are available. Then seventh one is ultrasonic and sonic vibrations. Ultrasonic and sonic vibrations are bactericidal powers. Ultraviolations and sonic vibrations are bactericidal powers. So once again today we are very important things. One is working in autoclave. So filtration consists of uh, candle type filters, diatomaceous earth filters, and asbestos filters or siege filters, and sintered glass filters, and membrane filters. Next heading, radiation. Radiation consists of ionizing radiation, non-ionizing radiation. Ionizing radiations are treatment for cancer patients. Non-ionizing radiations are especially they are used for in entry pathway of entryways of supermarkets and laboratories and hospitals and operation theater rooms and entry of hospitals in small inoculation rooms are everything non used for non-ionizing radiation. Especially non-ionizing radiations are used for ultraviolets and ultraviolet rays. Their electromagnetic rays are used. So it's continuation tomorrow, chemical sterilization. Thank you all of you.